Have you ever wondered why Japanese products are famous for their quality? From cars and cameras to electronics and kitchen tools, products made by companies like Toyota, Sony, and Panasonic are trusted all over the world. But how did Japan build this reputation? In this video, we will explore the manufacturing revolution that started in Japan, Japan's unique quality control system, famous global Japanese brands, how user experience created trust, and the current situation of Japanese manufacturing. After Second World War, Japan's economy was devastated. Factories were destroyed and Japanese products were often considered cheap and low quality. But in 1950s, Japan began a manufacturing revolution. Two American quality experts played a huge role in this transformation. William Edwards Deming and Joseph Moses Juran. Deming introduced statistical quality control and taught Japanese engineers how to use data to improve manufacturing process. Juran focused on quality management and leadership responsibility, emphasizing that quality should be part of entire organization, not just a factory floor. Japanese companies didn't just adapt their ideas, they improved them. This led to revolutionary philosophy known as Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Instead of fixing problems later, Japanese companies focused on preventing mistakes before they happen. And this mindset changed manufacturing forever. Japan developed some of the most famous quality management systems in the world. One example is the Toyota production system. This system focuses on eliminating waste, improving efficiency, maintaining extremely high quality. It also introduced the idea that every worker is responsible for quality. In many Japanese factories, workers can even stop the entire production line if they detect a problem. Another key concept is monozukuri. Monozukuri means the spirit of craftsmanship and dedication to making things better. This philosophy encourages workers to take pride in their work and constantly improve products. Because of these systems, Japan produced many world-class brands. For example, Toyota known for reliability and long-lasting cars. Honda famous for engines and motorcycles. Sony pioneer in consumer electronics. Canon high-quality cameras and imaging technology. Nintendo globally successful gaming systems. These companies didn't just sell products, they sold trust. Many people believe that if a product is made by a Japanese brand, it will last for years. Japanese companies focus not only on product performance, but also on user experience. This includes simple design, easy usability, reliability, long product life. For example, a Japanese car might run for 200,000 kilometers or more with proper maintenance. Customers experience this reliability, and that experience builds long-term trust. Over time, this trust becomes part of the brand's identity. That's why many customers stay loyal to Japanese brands for decades. Today, the global manufacturing environment is changing. Because of high labor costs in Japan, many companies have moved their manufacturing overseas to countries such as China, Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia. However, something important remains in Japan: design and quality control. Even when products are manufactured abroad, Japanese companies often design the products in Japan, develop the technology in Japan, control quality using Japanese standards. This ensures that products still maintains the Japanese quality philosophy. So, why are Japanese products famous for quality? It's not just about technology. It's about a mindset. A mindset built on continuous improvement, strong quality management, pride in craftsmanship, and deep respect for the customer. The teachings of Deming and Juran, combined with Japan's culture of Kaizen and Monozukuri, helped Japan build some of the most trusted brands in the world. And even today, that spirit continues to influence global manufacturing. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about technology, business, and Japan, make sure to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which Japanese product do you trust the most.